Poisoning about resinous communities. Adenoton phytotoxin. This plant grows all over India. Its seeds are oval of a glossy brown color, mottled. There are two types, big and small. Small speed resemble croton seed are about 1.25 centimeter long, 0.85 centimeter broad. The entire plant is poisonous. Active principle is contain toxalbumin. Toxalbumin or phytotoxin is a toxic protein. Act like a bacterial toxin. It causes agglutination and lysis of RBC and has antigenic property. Castor seeds are poisonous when eaten in the raw state, but harmless when swallowed entire or after cooking. The residue plus cake left after extraction of oil from the seeds contain resin and poisonous. Extracted oil, castor oil, does not contain resin and therefore not poisonous. Resin is a super toxic poison. The raw seeds, when eaten, causing burning in the throat, salivation, nausea, copious, painful vomiting, colic, abdominal pain, bloody purging followed by collapse. Dehydration and collapse are common. Common and conversion precede death. Dust from the residue may cause dermatitis, conjunctivitis, rhinitis, occasionally asthma and allergy. Fatal dose is 6 mg of resin, which is equivalent to about 10 seeds. Several days elapse before death takes place. Treatment: there is no specific antidote for resin poisoning. Treatment: postmortem appearance. Fragment of seed may be found in the stomach. Bowel is inflamed and there are occasional erosion and submucous hemorrhages. There may be hemorrhages in the internal organ. Medical legal importance is accident case occurring among children from eating the seed. The seeds have been administered in the food. The homicide intent: the powder of the seed causes local irritation of the skin and mucous membrane of the nose and eyes. The George Markov political assassination in London: a tiny sphere drilled out to carry resin was injected from an air weapon concealed in an umbrella. This is the seed. Resin. Okay. Castor seed. Castor seed, castor plant, castor capsules. Okay. Contain toxalbumin, resinolenic acid. Resin toxin is one of the super toxic poison of the plant origin. Then what? Severity of poisoning: mild toxicity, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea; moderate toxicity, abdominal persistent vomiting, dehydration, elevated liver enzyme, melena; severe toxicity, gastritis, hemorrhagic gastritis, CNS, depression, hypovolemic shock, hepatic failure, renal failure, coma, and death. Then 8 to 10 seeds are poisonous. Outcome: children 1 to 3 seeds. Anaphylaxis also get decontamination, activity charcoal can be more beneficial. Then George Markov case. Okay, thank you.